that it doesn't come with the in contact of air, moisture and air, water. Okay, so for that, what we can do, we can paint these objects. Okay, we can paint these objects. Other than painting, we can do galvanization. Greasing कर सकते हो. Grease से भी क्या होगा? See, if you have put a grease on any object, water will not be able to enter it. Am I correct? And second option is galvanization. See, just think about it. If the water pipes would be made up of iron only, what would have been happened? अगर वाटर पाइप्स जिसमें से आपको वाटर सप्लाई होता है जो कि अंडरग्राउंड रहते हैं, if they would have been under the ground, then is it possible to have that water, to drink that water? No, because if that pipe is continuously in contact of water, वो rusted हो जाएगा definitely. After few days, after few months, it will get rusted, and if we will have that rusted water, we will definitely fall ill. So what we used to do galvanization. What is galvanization? It is the coating zinc over iron. Okay, depositing a thin layer of zinc metal on iron object. That is known as galvanization. If we will do galvanization, then iron objects will not get rusted. Okay, तो इसीलिए आयरन के जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनको जिंक को पहले मेल्ट किया जाता है and then iron objects are dipped in that. Okay, and फिर जब वो ठंडे हो जाते हैं तो galvanization हो जाता है. Okay, वो मेटल उसके ऊपर डिपॉजिट हो जाती है thin layer जिंक की, जिससे कि अब वो galvanize नहीं होगा, रस्टिंग नहीं होगी, ओ सॉरी रस्टिंग नहीं होगा, galvanized हो चुका है. Okay, एयर का उस पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होगा, मॉइस्चर विल नॉट अफेक्ट दैट गैल्वेनाइज्ड ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, क्लियर? So iron sheet which are used for making buckets, drums, etc. They are being made with this galvanization process. Okay. Third, we are using this. We can prevent this rusting by making alloy, right? So, you know, the stainless steel you are using in your daily routine, in your utensils, in your kitchen, it also comprises of so many metals. Okay. Molten iron is mixed with the carbon, manganese, chromium, and nickel. And when it will get cooled, it will form a stainless steel, right? Which we can use for many years. You must have seen the utensils in your kitchen, right? Made up of stainless steel. So it is not a single metal, it's an alloy. So by making alloys also, we can stop these rusting. Okay. What does stainless steel contain? Carbon, manganese, chromium, nickel, and iron. It is made up of 5 different metals. Okay. Now next comes the crystallization. Crystallization, the purest form of any material. Right? अगर हम किसी चीज को solid form में purely उसको separate out करना चाहते हैं, then that is known as the crystal, the hard part. Okay. Have you seen the crystals? If your mom has if you must have seen your mom की any lemonade या कुछ ऐसा मम्मा ने sugary syrup बनाया है, कोई शरबत बनाया है या any sugary syrup if your mother has made, अगर वो बहुत ज़्यादा dense हो जाएगा, then what will happen? उसके अंदर sugar की crystals बनने start हो जाते हैं, right? Okay, so what I'm going to tell you about crystallization, that how the crystals are made. Even in the sea also salt के भी crystals बनते हैं. Okay, you know ना, sea water is very salty. We cannot drink them. It's very salty. So it is having, because it is having salt dissolved in it, right? It is having rocks under the seabed, and just because of them, they are having salt dissolved in it. Okay, which make that water salty. Now these salty salts can be obtained by the evaporation of seawater. This is known. This technique of separation is not good. You know why? because salt which you have got in this manner, it is not pure. See, water will get evaporate, but what about the impurities it is having? अगर उसके अंदर छोटे छोटे insects हैं या small pieces of leaves are there or any other impurities, sand particles are there, do you think they will also get evaporate along with the water? No, impurities will remain over there only. Okay, so just because of that, crystallization is the method to obtain the pure crystals. Okay, purest solid form of a substance. जिसका एक proper geometrical shape होता है. Sugar, you must have seen the sugar crystals, copper sulfate, and table salt crystals also comes. Okay, so different substances के crystals होते हैं जिनके अलग अलग shape होते हैं. Okay, so what if anyone is asking you what is crystallization? Actually, it is the process of obtaining pure solid crystals. Okay, and each and every one must be having their own geometrical shape. All right, so I hope it must be clearer to you. Not furthermore you will get, just the definition is important over here for crystallization. Okay, so how we can prepare the crystals of copper sulfate by the process of crystallization, that is being explained over here. I want to show you a small video to make this concept more clear, that how to prepare crystals of copper sulfate by crystallization. Okay, give me 1 second and let me unmute someone who can give me the response. All right, this is the last topic we are going to discuss, and after that we will discuss the book exercise and question answers. Okay, give me 1 second for that. Okay, let me unmute someone. All right, I want to unmute Chitra Vashisht. Yes, Chitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I'm going to share a screen. You just have to tell me whether it's visible or not. Give me 1 second. Okay, so let's check this one. It's an interesting video. Yes. Yes, Chitra, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I hope it must be clear to you guys now. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is crystallization? Okay. Any doubt to anyone? Thank you, Chitra. Any doubt to anyone? Okay. So, all right. One more, one activity is provided in your book too. Just check it out. Okay. First है prepare the crystals of copper sulfate. Okay, by the process of crystallization. For that, what they have done, 100 ml beaker we have. Let me share the beaker. They have taken 100 ml beaker. Okay, filled with water and HCl. We have added in it sorry, H2SO4 dilute sulfuric acid. We have added in it. All right. Excuse me, 7, 6, 7. Okay, dilute sulfuric acid we have added in it. So when I put this on the stand and I'll allow it to heat with the help of Bunsen burner, what will happen? जब वो boil होगा तो मैं अब उसमें copper sulfate का powder डालूंगी. ठीक है, and I'll keep on stirring continuously. And I'll continue adding copper sulfate powder जब तक और powder dissolve नहीं होना, जब तक solution saturated नहीं हो जाता. What I mean by saturated solution, that means no more solute can dissolve in it. As you observed in this video, he was adding up the salt until and unless हाँ वो crystals थे बेटा. Okay, and उसने salt mix किया जब तक कि और salt उसमें dissolve होना बंद नहीं हो गया. Until and unless no more solute can be dissolved, you have to keep on adding it. So similarly, we are doing here with the copper sulfate. We will keep on adding the copper sulfate powder till no more powder can be dissolved. Now, when I filter the solution to remove the insoluble impurities and collect the filtrate into a china dish, I will allow it to cool slowly and I will leave it undisturbed for 24 hours. Salt need to be left for a few days. Copper sulfate को आप 1 या 2 दिन रख दोगे, then you will get the crystals. Okay, so हमें blue color की crystals मिल जाएंगे china dish के अंदर 24 hours के अंदर, and I can separate these copper sulfate crystals. हाँ वो crystals था. Okay, so this is the crystallization. Okay, now we can dry these crystals. Okay, इनके बीच में filter paper रख के हम इनको dry up कर सकते हैं. We can obtain large crystals of copper sulfate by this process. Okay, it must not be having any impurity in this. See, salt we can make by the evaporation process also, but it may contain impurities. It may contain sand. It may contain the leftover the small pieces of the dust, or you can say leaves and any other impurity. It may समुद्र के अंदर तो बहुत सारी sea के अंदर sea water must be containing all the impurities, so it may carry all that. Okay, so by crystallization you may get the pure solid. Okay, now I think I should go with the question answers part. All right. Yeah, that is okay. Let's go with the question answers part now. All right, for oral questions and science quiz, I will provide you. Start giving me answers for these MCQs. Worksheet, take the correct option. Start writing answers in the chat box only. Start writing answers in the chat box quickly. Write for all the 4 questions. Write for all the... Haan, Sujal? Whatever I showed you, that was the crystal only. Okay. So start writing answer for all the 4. Take the correct options quickly. I just want to share the PDF of this chapter today with you guys. as it's already 9:50. Be quick, give me the answers for all the 4 MCQs, everyone. By the time I'll not get the answer from everyone, I'll not mark your attendance. Remember this thing. Okay? Please be sure to give the answer. Okay. Complete your work. Okay? As exams are coming, so keep your work completed. On Monday, you guys may ask your query if you are having any. I'm going to share the PDF with you. Give me 2 minutes, beta. I'm sharing the PDF with you, right? And please take the screenshot now only. Don't ask me again. If you feel that any answer is too long, you may make the changes according to yourself. There is no problem. Okay? Try to write the answers in your own words. It is not like that whatever I have provided you, you have to write that only. Okay, it's done. So many have given me the answers. Okay. All right, it's uploading. Okay. I'll stop sharing this as I have to share that PDF. Please take the screenshot. Yes, I hope it is visible to everyone. Screen is not visible to you, Hardik Swami. Why? It is visible to everyone present over here. Yeah, thank you, Asta. I know it is visible. I'm turning the page. I hope you guys must have taken a click of this page. Please take a screenshot. If you guys are having any doubt in any chapter, you may bring your queries on Monday. Okay? Have you guys done? May I turn the page? Wherever diagrams are being made, diagrams are required, you have to make diagrams too. Okay? Everybody has done. Nirbhay, have you done? This is the third page, Sakshi Sharma. Whatever I am showing, please. This is the last one. This is the last one. One query I got for radiation that I'm going to explain on Monday. Any other doubt if anybody is having? Bring your queries on Monday. Okay? Again, I'm showing it once again from the very beginning. This is the first page. Second one. Yes, Vanshika.
मैम मैं ये पूछ रही थी कि ऐसे वन के अंदर सिलेबस क्या है?
Chapter 1 to 6.
ओके मैम, तो ना हमारा कोर्स कंप्लीट हो गया इसका मतलब?
मैं अभी 1 to 6 तो आप लर्न करो. आई डोंट थिंक आई विल बी एबल टू कंटिन्यू नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. जितना किया है उतना ही दूंगी. ठीक है, डोंट वरी. Though I have thought for up to 8 chapter, but it's okay. Whatever we have done, it's okay. I will provide you from that one. I'm going to turn the page. It's the third one. This is the last. Okay.
मैम एक बार
Chavi, whose period?
मैम मैम एक बार शुरू से दिखा दो ये वाले. मैम मैम एक बार साइंस क्विज और ओरल क्वेश्चंस दिखा दो.
Okay. I said don't unmute yourself if you want me to share it again. This is the first page. I'm having another class, beta. It's 9:58. Be quick. It's third time I'm sharing with you, dear. Yes, Nirbhay?
मैम एक बार वो लॉन्ग का एक बार दिखाओ ना मैम. मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेके मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया कैसे करना है.
मैम मैम एक बार सारे दिखा दो.
Beta, I'm showing it third time. This is the second page.
मैम वो उसमें 2 क्वेश्चन है ना लॉन्ग वाले में.
Short 2 है.
ओके मैम.
Short answer type first and short answer type 2.
no मैम लॉन्ग में
These are the long. This is the third page. हाँ इसमें 2 ही long है निर्भय, and this is the last one.
मैं कंफ्यूज हो रहा था इसलिए आपसे पूछ लिया.
Thank you so much for today's class. Have a nice day, everyone.
मैम आपने आज क्लास में क्यों नहीं करवाया?